Hello students, today we will see next part of playing with numbers. Types of numbers. The first type of number is perfect number, a number for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called a perfect number. Let's see by example the factors of 6. Here we have taken the example of 6. Let's find out first its factors. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then, according to the definition, we need to find their sum of its factors. Sum of factors is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12. तो डेफिनेशन हमें क्या बताती है? परफेक्ट नंबर किसे कहते हैं हम लोग? सम ऑफ ऑल इट्स फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस द नंबर. ट्वाइस मीन्स व्हाट? डबल और टू टाइम्स. तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा द सम ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 इज 12, which is double of 6. That's why 6 is a perfect number. Now let's see prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers having two factors 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. तो easily simple language में हम कह सकते हैं कि प्राइम नंबर्स ये नंबर होते हैं जो खुद के ही टेबल में आते हैं, किसी और टेबल में नहीं आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, then 3, 7, 11 and so on. Then if we see 3 is having only two factors 1 and 3 और किसी टेबल में नहीं आता. Then 2 also having two factors only 1 and the number itself. Now let's see composite numbers. The numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. तो जो प्राइम नहीं है वो सारे नंबर्स कंपोजिट हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 4, 9, 20, 25, 100 like this. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now even and odd numbers. Let's see even numbers. A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called an even number. या फिर हम लोग कह सकते हैं even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Some examples are here 22, 46, 100, 208 and so on. You can see here all these numbers are ending with 0 or 2, 4, 6 or 8. तो ये सारे even numbers. Now odd numbers. A number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. Odd numbers are end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. तो कोई भी नंबर हो अगर वो एंड हो जाता है उस नंबर का अगर एंड 1, 3, 5, 7 या 9 से होता है then that number is odd number only. Now here is the note. 1 is neither a prime number nor composite. 1 ना तो प्राइम होगा ना तो कंपोजिट होगा. Then 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. तो 2 एक ऐसा एक्सेप्शनल नंबर है जो कि प्राइम भी है और इवन भी है. एवरी प्राइम नंबर एक्सेप्ट 2 इज ऑड. एवरी प्राइम नंबर एक्सेप्ट 2 इज ऑड. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सी हाउ टू फाइंड आउट prime numbers from 1 to 100 by using a simple method. Let's see. Here we will do lab activity also. It is your lab activity book and here is the activity 1, prime numbers. Then objective is to find prime numbers from 1 to 100 by Eratosthenes sieve method. तो यही मेथड हम लोगों को एक्टिविटी बुक में करना है और अपने क्लास वर्क में भी करना है. देन प्रिक्विस्टिक नॉलेज, कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स. वी नो what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers who are having only two factors 1 and the number itself. Here is procedure also. Then we need to write here 1 to 100 numbers first and then let's see how to find out prime numbers from 1 to 100 by Eratosthenes sieve method. Let's see. First we need to write 1 to 100 numbers. Then 1 is neither prime nor composite, then make it cross. Then let's move to the next number 2. 2 is prime number. Here blue colored part we can see and we need to cut here all the multiples of 2, means all the even numbers we need to cut. Gray colored part we can see. Now circle 3, जो ब्लू कलर में आपको दिखाया है, सर्कल 3 नंबर एंड कट ऑल द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 विच इज just like 15, 9, 21, 24, these are. Then circle 5, 5 is again prime number and cut all the multiples of 5. तो ये रेड कलर पार्ट में उसको कट किया है तो ये ग्रे बन गया. नाउ सर्कल द नंबर 7, 7 is again prime number and we need to cut all the multiples of 7 which is 49, 77, 91. तो इससे पहले के 7 के मल्टीपल्स ऑलरेडी कट हो गए हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नंबर 11. देन वी नीड टू सर्कल 11 also and we need to cut all the multiples of 11 too. Okay, let's move to the next number 13 and then we need to cut all the multiples of 13. Then next number is 17. Here also we have cut all the multiples of 17. तो यहाँ पे ये प्रोसीजर खत्म हो जाती है and we got here all the prime numbers from 1 to 100 which are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. All these prime numbers we need to circle. Okay, then procedure you understood. Again I'll repeat the procedure. First we need to write 1 to 100 the number grid, then cross 1 because it is neither prime nor composite number, तो 1 को हम लोग क्रॉस कर देंगे. Then we need to circle 2 because it is prime number, it is smallest prime number. और एक बार जिसको सर्कल कर दिया उसके सारे मल्टीपल्स हमें कट करने हैं, क्रॉस करने हैं. Then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and like this. All the multiples of 2 we need to cross. Then again next number is 3. We need to circle the number 3 because it is prime number and cut all the multiples of 3 which is 9, then 12 like this. जो कट हो गए हैं ऑलरेडी उनको दोबारा कट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, जो बचे हैं उसमें से आपको 3 के मल्टीपल्स कट करने हैं. Then the next number is 5. Make the circle for 5 and cut all the multiples of 5. Like we need to do the same procedure for 7, for 11, for 13, for 17, for 19 like this. Then at last we will find all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, then students do this activity in classwork notebook also and in maths lab practical book also.